So guys, this is gigabyte.com officially website. Okay, you can see here, first come to this website www.gigabyte.com. Then you can see right side the search options. Then you can type your model number, which is B860M AORUS Pro Wi-Fi 7, and then hit enter. Then click to product. Then click to title. Click to support. Then selecting your operating system, Windows 10 and 11, which one. Okay, so I am using Windows 11. So if you are use Windows 10, so installations process same, you can see in this video, and you can install easily. Okay, same method. VLAN means Wi-Fi driver. So you can see here, otherwise you can install both, include Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. And if you are facing and require only Wi-Fi, you just install this. And it is done. Just single click and double click to exe. Then click to yes. Now this is extract, and now you can see Wi-Fi driver installing. And close it.